What I'm going to show you guys how to do today is how to get into the hard exterior of a pineapple, check when it's ripe, cut the core out, and dice it up and get it ready to eat. So before anybody's mouth starts watering, let's get started. Alright there guys, let's get inside the pineapple. So first thing you want to check to see if it's ripe, right? There's lots of ways that people say how to do this. The best indication is to go to the top, pull this out, and if it comes out easily and simply just like that, that's ripe. You can do it to a couple just to make sure. Nice and simple, right? Alright, so next, you're going to cut the top off of the pineapple. Real simple. Make sure you got a sharp knife. It's kind of like a dinosaur. It's kind of like a crazy just ordeal, the whole pineapple. Anyway, you're going to cut the top off. Nice and simple. Okay? Look at that delicious pineapple. Then, you're going to cut the bottom off. Then you just start shaving the edges off, okay? Go nice and simple all the way down. Cut it off. And again. Also see how deep I'm going. Do you see that? That's how deep you want to go. You want to make sure to get all that spine out of there. I hate that spine. Chunks just go everywhere. It's crazy. Ew, a little funky there. So that's all the way around, okay? You just trim these off. Trim the little spines off. Once it's all off, you discard, right? Throw it all right into the sink. There we are. All right then. The simple and easy way to get the core out, I think, right, is just to go right down the center and right down the center again. Okay? Then there's only a little bit of the core left on there, a little bit. You can actually see it. Then you just go right down the side. Alright. I'll show you guys another angle here. So see how I got this? See how the core is gone? That's exactly what you're looking for. It's gone. Alright? So, I don't know if you can see it that well. But you can see, let's see here. Let's get a good one. Okay. See this one? See the core right here? See that little bit? We're just going to take our knife right there. We're just going to right down the center. Gets rid of it 100%. You can do spears. Okay. Some nice long spears. You can leave them just like that if you want. Eat them. Or, again, cut as is. It's a nice, beautiful little chunk of pineapple ready to eat. I really love pineapple. It's super sweet. Goes great in fruit salads. Goes great on top of turkey burgers or beef burgers. It's just great grilled. I love grilled pineapple. If you've never had grilled pineapple, try it. Take a slice just like that, okay? Put it on your grill. You won't regret that. And there you have it. Juicy pineapple, ready to eat. No hard core. God, that's good. Super sweet. Super sweet. I could just eat this all day. All day long. Yeah. I think I just ate the whole pineapple. It was good, I'm not gonna lie. I hope you learned something and had some fun. And if you want to see more tips and tricks just like today, make sure to subscribe below and smash that bell so you won't miss an episode. So until next time, keep cooking, and we'll see you later.